everyone! Welcome to the Rainbow Meadow! Today, we're going to go on a colorful adventure and learn about the colors of the rainbow! Red, red strawberries! Red apple on the tree, red heart and poppies. We love the color red. Orange, orange, oranges, orange juice, pumpkins, orange lamp and mandarins. We love the color orange. Yellow, yellow sunflowers, yellow sun, yellow moon, yellow birds and bananas. We love the color yellow. Green, green Christmas tree, green plant, green peas, green fields and broccoli. We love the color green. Blue, blue, blueberries, blue sea, blue sky, blue eyes and dragonfly. We love the color blue. Purple, purple lavender, purple crystal, purple flower, purple plums and purple house. We love the color purple. White, white mistletoe, white clouds, white snow, white doves and windows. We love the color white. Gray, gray mountains, gray fish and fountains, gray stones and elephant. We love the color gray. Black, black, blackberries, black cat and black seeds, black knight and black sheep. We love the color black. Brown, brown teddy bear, brown dog and brown chair, brown cow and brown hair. We love the color brown. Pink, pink flamingos, pink lips and pink bows, pink shoes and pink rosé. We love the color pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, white, gray, black, brown, and pink. We love all the colors.
Welcome, kids! Are you ready for an amazing ABC adventure?
A is for apple, A is for arm, A is for angel. B is for book, B is for baby, B is for ball. C is for crocodile, C is for candle, C is for cat. D is for dog, D is for door, D is for dolphin. E is for envelope, E is for egg, E is for elephant. F is for fish, F is for feather, F is for friends. G is for genie, G is for gloves, G is for garden. H is for hedgehog, H is for honey, H is for house. I is for igloo, I is for ink, I is for ice. J is for jug, J is for jam, J is for juice. K is for kangaroo, K is for kiwi, K is for kite. L is for lion, L is for lamb, L is for lemon. M is for monkey, M is for map, M is for mountain. N is for necklace, N is for nest, N is for nose. O is for orange, O is for octopus, O is for ocean. P is for parachute, P is for panda, P is for pen. Q is for queen, Q is for quack, quack, Q is for question. R is for rainbow, R is for robot, R is for rain. S is for sandwich, S is for star, S is for snowflake. T is for telephone, T is for turtle, T is for tiger. U is for umbrella, U is for unicorn, U is for up. V is for violin, V is for vegetable, V is for van. W is for window, W is for web, W is for windmill. X is for xylophone, X is for x-ray, X is for box. Y is for yogurt, Y is for yo-yo, Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra, Z is for zip, Z is for zoo.
Thanks for joining us on our ABC adventure.